What is going on, everybody? My name is Marco, or Marquitos, whatever you want to call me. I'm on my way home right now, and I just got this notification saying my camera has been delivered. I'm so excited to try out this new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm so excited. Just all the I previously had bought the Canon G7X about 4 years ago, the Mark II, but I ended up breaking it. I dropped it on the lens, I dropped it on the screen, all bad, all broken. And I asked a store how much to fix it, and they told me like $650. I said, nope, I'm about to get there right now. I'm about to get the box and we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna show you guys when I get the box, but then I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Before we get more into the video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video just so we can get more content like this. I'm gonna be showing you guys the camera if you guys are interested. I'm gonna make a video right now on unboxing and review. And in about 2 weeks, I'll make another video on my first impressions, first 2 weeks having it, what I think, is it worth it? Oh Lord, let's go. Alright, everybody, so I finally got home. I'm here in my room and we're gonna check out the box. We're gonna unbox it, show you guys everything. I'm gonna try my best. I've never done an unboxing video, but bear with me for real. Probably not too informational, but you guys can see what it looks like when you unbox it, what you get at the package. So the package that I got was the DJI Pocket 3 Osmo Creator Kit, I believe. So it comes with a mic. I think it comes with a tripod and a wide lens, so we'll see. God, what's wrong with this box? Oh, the box. How do I open this? Oh, all right. Alright, open it. Ooh. Alright, everybody, so at this part of the video, I actually realized that it was way too loud. Background noise in my house. My mom had the TV on, so it was way too loud. So right now I'm just gonna be doing like a voiceover over everything that I'm doing while I'm actually unboxing the box, you know what I mean? Grabbing everything, showing you guys what it is. Probably putting a picture on the screen, telling you guys what it does. So I don't think I've ever done an unboxing video, so it might not be too informational. And at the end, I'll give you guys like a little bit of film footage. I'll probably go outside, walk around, show you guys different environments, different lighting. I love it, to be honest. I love this camera so far. I've had it for like 3 days now. Maybe 4, and I've just been playing around with it ever since I started this video. It's funny, so I haven't finished the video. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the video before I show you guys me unboxing the video and explaining everything. Let's get it. So we just started off by grabbing the box, and I loved how it came in such a sleek, like not too big, not too small, but just in a nice box. It gives iPhone vibes, you know what I mean? It has the saran wrap around it. So right now I'm just opening it up at first, and be careful how you open it up, because oh Lord, I went in with my key, as you see right here, but I opened it up. I actually made a hole at the top of the box, but you open it up, you get this nice little pouch. It's like a bag, like a travel bag. It's because I got the Creator Kit, so I totally recommend the Creator Kit. It's like $150 more, but right here, in this little white box, I think it's just a protector, a little case where you could keep the extra battery. So it's pretty cool what it comes with. Inside the bag, I was so excited to open the bag. Like, I wanted to get there first, you feel me? Give me the bag is what I was thinking. I want to open up the bag. But first of all, you end up opening up the bag, and then the first thing I ended up grabbing right there was probably the battery. I think that's a battery. So it's so cool how it works. You could charge that battery on the side, but you could also charge the DJI Osmo just by itself. So you could give it 100%, then you could charge the battery to 100%. So, and then if you carry the camera and then it dies on you, you just plug in that battery. But right here we have the DJI. Finally, we could get a good look at it. Beautiful camera. It also came with the little mic that I showed you guys right there. I just forgot to explain it. It also comes with this tiny tripod that I guess it could work, but I have my own tripod. If you have your own tripod, like, you know, those TikTok tripods. I had this nice sleek screen covering. Turns on once you turn the screen sideways. This whole camera, top to bottom, is literally not low quality. In the way it's built. Like, the camera literally is great quality. Like, you shouldn't be able to break it unless you drop it maybe from 10 feet. And I don't think that should be able to possibly happen. if you have it in the case at all times and you're being safe with it, then you should be good. I don't even know if I explained, but this is being recorded on the DJI Osmo 3 Pocket. So I don't know if you guys can see. I just love how you know, the focusing is right away. You know what I mean? This is footage on the DJI 3 Pocket Osmo camera, and it's beautiful. I love it. Alright, buddy, so as you guys can see, I am outside now, but I am under shade. So as I walk right here in the sun, you're gonna see how that changes. Let me show you guys. So that's what everybody talks about, if the sun is good or if it's bad. I mean, I think it's pretty good. And I'm shooting in, I think, the low light mode, face rec. Yeah. Alright, everybody, so I am ending the video now. Thank you guys all for watching this video. It was my first unboxing and review video in my entire life. My overall review is that I love this camera so much, and I'm so excited to play with it, have fun with it, make more vlogs with it, and just edit the videos with this film. Like, it's beautiful. So yes, go get yourself a DJI Osmo 3 Pocket. It is 100% worth it if you're trying to make videos, make vlogs, even TikTok videos, because you can shoot upwards or vertical. So make the investment, stop being scared, but also stop being scared and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, leave a comment if you like the video and the overall review. I will be making more and more videos about the DJI camera, simply because I barely had it for 4 days, but after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I will be making another review to see if I've had any problems or if anything that could be fixed or anything I'd like better. So thank you guys for watching so much. My name was Marco again. Subscribe.